Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We're just doing a test here of For MWS. We've put the Prometheus upgraded type bore barrel in there, so it's just 6.03, and we've gone like for like on this one with a 250mm barrel, and we've got the Psionic Hop rubber for MWS on there as well, and we've also fit the Laylax strike arm, which gives you a little bit more pressure for every given turn on those heavier ammos. And then we've tested at range on 3.2s and it's going well, and we just wanted to demonstrate the gun working now, just like a proof of life for these gas blowbacks, to make sure that everything's going good after we've done work. There we go, so all tested working, and if you get any problems let us know, but hopefully everything's all fairly self-explanatory with these gas blowbacks, and hopefully have a good time. So thank you.